Here we are in Needham, Massachusetts, installing cellulose insulation into this home, into the walls of this home. The wall cavities, as you can see, are completely empty, devoid of insulation. Stick your hand in there, Mike. Show us. Completely empty, up and down. Can you imagine how much heat is lost through these walls? Mike, show us one over to your right. After he's done installing the cellulose insulation, these wall cavities are chock full of energy-saving cellulose insulation. Go ahead, Mike, fill up this cavity. Let's see how it's done. Sticks the hose down.
And determine my bottom.
Finding the bottom of the cavity. He uses the bag just to control the dust. Turns the machine on. You can see the material moving through the hose. Large amounts of insulation are going through that hose right now and filling this cavity. Pulls the hose in and out to pack it. He pulls the hose out as it fills. Now he's aiming upward. There you go. That cavity is now chock full of energy-saving cellulose insulation, expertly installed by our fully certified technicians. When we're done, this happy homeowner will be saving energy all year round. Good job, Mike.
Thank you.
Energy Geeks, serving most of southeastern Massachusetts and all of Rhode Island. That's a wrap.